Do you think this is like very upgrading to us or very
Yeah, it's quite actually quite scary.
Welcome to the show, DNA by Scribble Masters, and we are here to provide you latest news and data analysis regarding current affairs and different other niche that we talked about and that you are going to see in the future episodes. So first of all, let me introduce our guest and my partner in the house, Argo Banerjee. Hi Argo, how are you?
Doing it.
So, I'm fine, but the summer is like scorching me a lot nowadays.
It's very difficult to speak.
हम लोग पसीने पसीने हो चुके हैं, like that kind of a thing which is happening as of now.
करीब 80,000 वर्ग किलोमीटर में फैले इस गर्म इलाके में तापमान 49 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक पहुंच सकता है।
So tell me about it. Like, what do you thought about this thing by starting the podcast? What was your idea? How did we started with all this?
This is, as we discussed earlier, because we were trying to do something different from generic stuff that everyone is doing. Right. So तभी हम लोगों ने जो बात किया था कि हाँ चलो let's do a podcast on educational stuff, something that people can learn about and see modern day में अभी technology is in its peak, right? It's growing. It's a gradual process. So at this point of time, अगर जो लोग टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में एकदम मतलब जानते नहीं हैं, they are like getting left behind by other people. जॉब में एडवांटेजेस है, पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल फील्ड में बहुत सारे एडवांटेजेस है विद अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ऑल दैट. सो वही बात है कि हम लोग पहले ये आइडिया वी थॉट ऑफ इट, राइट? तो एंड दिस इज लाइक द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू दिस grand scheme of idea.
What I'm trying to tell you is that कि हम लोग वैसे कुछ करना चाहते हैं that can create a better evaluation of different statistical things. That people just see statistic but do not analyze it. What we are going to do in the Scribble Masters podcast, what we are going to do is that we are providing you the analysis of those statistics, the analysis and evaluation of those statistics, real-time analysis of those statistics. These are the things that we are going to discuss in the following podcast. The reason why we started all this thing was, I remember it was just through a phone call.
Yeah.
And we were just talking and we were just making things up, and then we started this thing that, okay, can we start a podcast together, because we can talk a lot of things about certain other things, regarding AIs and other factors, whatever the internal external
And it
factors are.
sort of comes together as stories that are interesting, that are fun, rather than all this common stuff that we can see around the internet, like all these informative videos and stuff. Those are like heavy for people who don't have a basic grasp of certain aspects, certain factors of technology, right? So, अगर हम लोग ये story की तरह बोलते हैं, तो it would be quite exciting for people. So that was the whole premise of this thing, right?
अच्छा लगता है, बहुत मजा आता है.
So yeah, and that's why we named the channel Scribble Story. Subscribe and put on the bell icon. Please subscribe to the channel for latest news and latest podcast stories and latest podcast episodes.
समझ गया. ठीक है.
Let's start the episode now. I think this is the right time to start the episode. So, I was trying to ask you all this thing, but we were discussing a lot of factors regarding what should be discussed, what should be the first episode should be. And then I realized this thing, and you realized this thing, that AI is one of the factors that is like literally creating a imbalancing sword in the content writing field, right? It's kind of a thing that some people are afraid about it because of the Web 3.0, and some people are like, it's not going to take our job or something like that. So we thought, like, let's discuss about it. Let's discuss the pitfalls and the fair things regarding the AI and how it is going to narrate our future, how it's going to write our future, because AI is here to stay. There's nothing to be like, we cannot just brainwash this thing कि AI कुछ नहीं करने वाला, ऐसा कुछ नहीं करेंगे. AI is going to be here. So my first question regarding this thing to you is that what do you think about the past, present, and future? Like, what are the factors that has changed throughout the AI?
AI on a broader scale or a broader spectrum, it's like vast thing, right? We can't encompass everything about AI in a short answer, right? So, the whole concept of AI came around like early 1763 at that point of time. Yeah, it was very weird.
Yeah, we have done research regarding
I
this.
have done that.
I look a fool because I haven't done it. I've done nothing for
वैसा बात
research.
नहीं है.
Editors are please.
नहीं
There was this logical reasoning program or formula that was developed, right? And that was the base for everything that was to come around 1900s, right? 1970, 1980. At that point of time, like technology was getting a new life, right? People were inventing microchips, people were inventing USB stuff, and people were inventing a lot of things, right? For example, around 70s or 80s, 1970s or 80s, the driverless technology was introduced by Toyota, right? So they were testing it at that point of time only.
At that time, they
Yeah,
literally
they were
found out
starting,
all the
yeah,
other
they
driving
were starting all this thing with the help of this logical reasoning or programming, right? Even a certain like Google, for example, Google also uses a certain level of machine learning, right? At that point of time, it was just the basic stepping stone for all this vast area of AI, machine learning, blockchain, whatever that has come around after 2010, right? ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो भी मतलब जो भी ये AI का बूम हो रहा है या फिर जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी बूम हो रहा है, it was already planted around 90s or 80s. तो ये अगर हम लोग सोचते हैं कि how did AI come around? So it's like a fascinating process. And future is quite bold actually. अभी ऐसे मतलब हम लोग बोल नहीं सकते कि कहाँ जाएगा. अभी तो ऐसे देखें कि मतलब ऑलरेडी सोशल मीडिया पे चल रहा है कि people are making memes of stuff like that.
हाँ दिन विचों तेरे लिए टाइम कढ के
Get cancelled for that also. I'm not naming anyone, but yeah, people are making fun of some supreme leader, some political figures. So these are also AI, right? So we never had this.
How do you differentiate what is AI and what is not? Because in this present world, it's kind of weird, right? Because it's so real
Yeah.
that people either think that okay, this can happen, or it's like nah, this is actually AI. So why is this sort of this thing is happening? Like we cannot process this thing whether this is an AI or not, or whether we are seeing whatever the thing we are seeing is right or not. So do you think this is like very afraid to us or very different?
Yeah, it's actually quite scary. Just imagine एक दिन तुमको फोन कॉल आता है कि आपका बेटा ऐसे कुछ ऑप्शनल कुछ कर गया है एंड वी हैव अरेस्टेड द गाय. ठीक है.
Oh, the scam! I remember the scam.
These sort of scams are
Yeah.
quite scary, right? And
It's like
see,
transfer करिए
हाँ,
रुपए and stuff.
अगर कोई ऐसे पकड़ो कोई भी माँ बाप को ऐसे ही लगेगा अचानक से अगर फोन कॉल आता है एंड दे से दिस थिंग दे आर फ्रॉम पुलिस एंड ऑल people get scared, right? मतलब we talk on our phones, right? कोई भी कॉल करते हैं तो कॉल सेंटर्स जो भी मतलब टेलीकॉम डिपार्टमेंट्स
They are
है
recording it.
they are recording it, right? So
Absolutely.
anyone can hack those things, right? And get a sample.
It
Yeah,
has been hacked.
Yeah.
A lot of time.
so
Our data has been leaked a lot of times.
and even like leading social media platforms are already being penalized for releasing data or releasing personal information to other people, like third party data release service.
Shout out to Meta.
Yeah. हम लोग का
No shout out to Meta.
गद्दारी कर बे
बंद कर दे. So that is
Please subscribe us on our Instagram channel or just follow us, please. Mark Zuckerberg Zindabad. So my question regarding the AI was, which you said the past, present, and future. I need to add certain things regarding this thing. I really believe that the future of AI is very certain, not uncertain,
Yeah.
because look, whatever the developments would be, it would not be. It would automatically would be towards the human nature. It would not be like, चलो दुनिया खत्म कर देते हैं like that. Now, I understand that all the apocalypse movie and all the spoofy movies have developed, develop according to that, but we are not there. We are not type 1 civilization even.
No.
And क्या type 1 क्या होता है वो बाद में कभी पूछेंगे. So we are not there. Don't think about this thing that Skynet will come or something like that. I really believe whatever the AI will come in future, it will benefit us rather than not benefit us. Just like what happened with the Web 2.0, right? Everyone was afraid of it. But in the end, we knew that, okay, this is actually fun. This is actually what we wanted. This is actually through which we started communicating with all around the world. So I really believe this thing, Web 3.0 is going to be upgrading all those aspects rather than degrading our humanity.
Yeah, I agree.
But every technology comes with their other motion. You cannot just complain about it like कि हर चीज perfect कर दो. So for me, that is my perspective regarding this thing. So regarding our content writing, coming back to the content writing, I really believe this thing that content writing is all not about just not doing with AI or not being with the AI. It needs to be with the alignment of the AI, right? It cannot be like AI जो भी बोलेगा वो अलग है.
देखो AI has certain negative repercussions as well. अगर हम लोग ऐसे content में पकड़ लेते हैं, content में अगर AI का use ज़्यादातर होगा तो क्या होगा ज़्यादातर cases में companies will be starting to lose their credibility in the long run.
In the long run.
Yeah, in the long run, they will be losing credibility to a certain extent because after a certain point of time, AI would be taking over. Right? Not in a like apocalyptic sense, but yeah, everything will be going through AI for the most part. क्योंकि अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं, say for example, in some recent campaigns, they were introducing the idea of face swapping.
Yeah.
I can't remember what was the commercial. It was something that you would be able to come in a video together with Shah Rukh Khan, right? For some
subscription basis.
some subscription company or something like that. So that was using AI only, face swapping technology that AI provides, right? It's kind of like deep.
So the whole base scenario of the company is actually AI. So
Yeah.
without that, the company would not have any foundation.
Yeah, obviously.
So that's what I'm trying to tell you. That future is dependent on
Future is dependent. They are not obviously going to like take you on a flight and like take you to meet with Shah Rukh Khan. It would be a tedious process and a costly process, right? So what they are doing is they are asking you to take a selfie, and they would be like face swapping it with the actor they have on board on the video, and like it would seem like you are there with Shah Rukh Khan. You're there in this ad particularly, right?
I request you to first define what is Web 2.0.
So Web 2.0 is the current version of the internet we are using. Internet as in the broader spectrum of the World Wide Web, right? Anything that we're searching on Google, anything we're doing on the internet, anything. It could be like shopping, it could be like social media. Social media is the product of Web 2.0 actually. Facebook being the leading example here. Other social media is also included. Right. So Web 2.0, it's like in a broader way, it's the basic new version or the current version of the internet that is currently going through the world, right?
So whatever Web 2.0 basically is customer-centric engagement.
Yeah, more or less.
That is being done through different chatbots or
Chatbots, written content.
written contents. Or the examples of Web 2.0 would be, I believe, Facebook would be the example.
Facebook,
Meta.
Meta, as I said earlier.
Yeah. So tell me about Web 3.0 now. What is Web 3.0? As of now, sorry to cut you off.
We've talked about.
Let me speak.
It states what that the Web 2.0 is actually has not what do you call it? Changed anything. It's a current state of the internet, but it has not changed anything. It has not shifted any internet form. So Web 1.0 was also like that, but we are at the now faster gallery, right? It's like we have more
Advanced version of
1.0 and we have more influences. But I believe Web 3.0 is a bit different than
Yeah. So Web 3.0 में क्या होगा? Mainly, it would be a bit more revolving around the process of creating 3D content.
Okay.
3D content as it
like the virtual content.
yeah, more or less around
Metaverse. and stuff.
metaverse, virtual areas, right? Virtual reality. Those sort of things would be falling into Web 3.0.
So in certain way, I'll try to gist it out. Web 3.0 is peer-to-peer interfacing, and Web 2.0 is end-to-end encryption, right? It provides end-to-end encryption to the user, Well, 3.0 is like one step forward. It is like peer to
Yeah.
peer.
Let me simplify this thing. अभी जो 2.0 में बोला है, it is creating user generated content. हर एक यूजर के लिए अलग अलग स्किल्स है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं एनिमे फैन हूँ तो मेरे को एनिमे रिलेटेड कंटेंट ज्यादा मेरे को आएगा, नोटिफाई करेगा, राइट? एल्गोरिथम ऐसे दिखाएगा, राइट? सो अभी जब हम लोग 3.0 में मूव करेंगे तो क्या होगा, मेरा जो स्पेसिफिकेशन है वो बाकी जो सारे स्पेसिफिकेशन, तो बाकी का जो स्पेसिफिकेशन है और यूजर्स है उससे अलग हो जाएगा. मतलब मैं जो देख रहा हूँ, मैं जो इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ या फिर मैं जो इंफॉर्मेशन प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ वो और भी प्राइवेटाइज हो जाएगा. मतलब मेरा इंफॉर्मेशन जल्दी से दूसरे को नहीं मिलेगा, या फिर मैं जो सर्च कर रहा हूँ जल्दी से दूसरे को नहीं मिलेगा. सो दैट वुड बी लाइक कंपार्टमेंटलाइजिंग certain amount and again decompartmentalizing the whole thing, because it would be creating greater burst of internet. AI इसमें आ जाएगा, machine learning आ जाएगा, तो क्या होगा, it would be creating an ease of operation for people, right? हम लोगों को तब टाइप नहीं करना पड़ेगा कि भाई ये मेरे को चाहिए. You'll be able to just command prompted, right? जैसे AI ChatGPT वगैरह में होता है, you'll be like sending a command के मेरे को ये चीज का एक स्टोरी बना के दो. It would be doing that. For example, you're searching for something like maybe a bottle of water, right? So water कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Water.
Yeah.
Carrot.
Would you like a bottle of water, mate?
We cannot say that. Our target audience is all over the world. So sorry, it's a good.
British actors.
Just come again. You know. Just let me know. We love you. We were talking about all the AI tools, but this ChatGPT has created a lot of buzz. Why it has created a lot of buzz? First is the cultural event. I really believe this thing, that the memers have literally spoiled ChatGPT on another level. Like, it has created brand relevance for ChatGPT for free. I believe that is the thing, right? Because हर बहुत सारा है, Midway is there, Midnight or Midway? Midjourney. Sorry for that. Midjourney is there, and there is Copilot now, of course, which is again powered by OpenAI. Quillbot is there.
Grammarly is also there.
Grammarly has came up with their. Every company is coming up with like, हमारे पास भी है, ये लो, like that, right?
Yeah.
But why ChatGPT? Like, why? The company is not doing anything, right? They are not trying to like हमारा product खरीदिए. But what's the fuss about it? Like, why people are like, okay, ChatGPT is the right way.
So यहाँ एक चीज जो प्लेगिंग करता है तो वो वाला बात है कि research process जो है वो short करता है.
Because of the generating context.
Generating content.
But other AIs are also doing it.
Other AIs are also doing it, but ChatGPT is a bit better than other AIs.
So you are telling this thing, ChatGPT is more advanced.
Yeah, in a certain manner.
Do you think this thing that whatever the ChatGPT is telling you is right?
Not necessarily. क्योंकि देखो क्या हो रहा है, ChatGPT का भी मोनोपोली चल रहा है.
What? Explain this.
मोनोपोली ऐसे क्योंकि उसका मार्केट जो है, उसका मार्केट ग्रोइंग है, right? And उसका preference ज्यादा है compared to.
It has less competition in the market.
Compared to that other मतलब companies.
It is not monopoly properly, but yeah, it's like Google, you know.
Yeah.
There are a lot of search engines, but in the end you are going to go for the Google, or you have this thing that.
Easier to use.
Yeah, because it's easier to use. The reason why I'm telling this viewers is because we don't know what AGI is going to do. We don't know. That's the thing. If you ask major billionaires, I recently heard this news that Elon Musk has shouted on this thing that you cannot bring Apple in their premises and office premises, because as I told you that it's going to collab with Siri now. Siri is going to collab with OpenAI and ChatGPT. So he believes this thing that AI is going to take over, and they can like literally spy on the premises and learn what his premises or what other companies like Tesla and other SpaceX or other firms of his are doing. And that's why he said कि अगर Apple लेके भी आओगे तो you have to shut it down in a box, like to which जिससे कहीं से data नहीं, कुछ type of box I have about it. Some sort of a box that can cancel the signal and you have to put that phones there. और जब जाओगे तब लेके घर जा चले जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So
ये
if other billionaires, I'm not talking about Elon Musk only, other billionaires also thought the same thing. They are the same person, big billionaires. They believe this thing that AGI or artificial general insurance is very simple our human kind. I'm not saying that it's going to take over the world. I'm just telling this thing, it's very worrisome because we don't know what it's going to do, right? We don't know what would be the end outcome of it.
So at this point of time, it is not likely to take over the world.
Hang on.
At this point of time, because see, अगर लोगों को इस लेवल पे AI को निकलेगा,
लेवल सबके निकलेंगे.
लेवल सबके निकलेंगे, बट निकलेंगे उसके जो खड़ा रहेगा यहाँ पे.
so it would be taking a lot of years actually, maybe 100 years, maybe like 200 years. If we
200 years is a
it's a maximum like stress, but
what we have done as a human being in the past 100 years, the way we have evolved, हम लोग के 500 साल भी शायद आई थिंक इतना तेज इवॉल्व नहीं होंगे जितना हम लोग इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन के बाद. So I don't think so that it's going to take 100 years. I believe it's going to take a century, maybe 10 years.
century 10 years.
100 years. Sorry, it's going to. I'm really sorry. A decade, not a century. Decade is 10 years.
Decade में वो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि apocalypse आ जाएगा.
नहीं, I'm not talking about apocalypse. I'm talking about the modernization of age.
हाँ, मतलब already
Apocalypse coming नहीं है भाई, हम धरती जिए हम.
नहीं, मतलब machine ऐसे सब कुछ कंट्रोल कर लेगा, वो वाला चीज होने में 200 साल लग जाएगा.
Oh, you really believe this thing?
Maybe.
I'm not supporting this. I'm not supporting
I'm
this.
just speculating.
Yeah.
Maybe. Who knows? There's those.
But I was talking to you regarding one more thing, that what is going on between Google Bard and Microsoft ChatGPT? Like they are going on two different levels.
Yeah.
Because ChatGPT is advancing. They have came up with Sora now, and they are going to infuse Sora with ChatGPT. So what is Sora?
So Sora is the new version of AI tool, right? Where the user will be able to generate videos.
Just through content.
Yeah.
It's like text to video.
Yeah, text to video, and it would be like the version that we have seen over the last few months.
Yeah, but it's not available for the
it's not available
general
for
public.
general
It's available only for higher people, and as of now,
Developers के लिए.
yeah, developers के लिए. और
मगर क्यों?
as of now, they are cyber people जो cyber attacks को check करते हैं ये सब, वो उसको अभी check कर रहे हैं. तो it's on the testing phase as of now. It's not launched as of now, but it's going to be launched.
जो भी देखने को मिला है, it's quite promising because
It's quite promising, but it's kind of like damn.
scary. Like AI जो है अभी भी वो स्टेज पे नहीं है कि वो अपने आप से ऐसे मतलब it would have the idea कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, this is the right content that I was asked to develop, right? So वही जगह पर आ जाएगा necessity for experts who are good with AI. So a certain jobs will be affected at first, but certain new jobs will be created.
I've seen a lot of content from other content writers, like academic content writers or the web content writers. They have not used AI tool.
Yeah.
They have not used AI tool. And as soon as you pinch it and turn it in, it says that it is AI.
Yeah.
But I have seen this thing that this person has not used AI. Okay. So there are a lot of false positives that is coming from Turnitin too, or other softwares too. So how do you tackle this? How do you tackle which you have not done actually?
So it's a tricky process actually, and people have to learn. People will have to learn how to like navigate through this sort of things.
But
sort of hurdles.
this is not our fault, right?
No, this is not our fault. But क्या हो रहा है?
Why don't Turnitin servers or other servers are not
Turnitin servers,
understanding this thing?
yeah, Turnitin servers are
They are a
using
multinational company.
multinational company, but they are also using AI. Or the whole thing, the plagiarism checking and AI tracking is being done by AI. So it is like गंगा जल से गंगा पूजा करना है, ऐसा वाला सीन हो गया है. ठीक है, एडिटर को बोलना मैं कोई इक्विवेलेंट इंग्लिश एग्जांपल देने के लिए.
Using Thames water to worship things.
Okay, maybe.
Subscribe.
So please, Sarapaka.
It's like that only. Because the AI that they are using, it is also in the iterative state.
Yeah, but
It's basic level, तो उसमें भी गलती होगा. So we can't say for sure.
should the teachers
Yeah.
consider this false positive thing? The client should consider all this false positive things.
See, these are sort of things like if you are getting certain level of AI or certain level of, I'll be sticking to AI for this part only. अगर आपको कोई AI का percentage आ रहा है, let's say for example 10% of AI is reflected in a certain file. So it would be creating sort of like a tension or stress among the person who has submitted the file, right? Or who has written the file, right? So that point of time, he or she would be thinking like, oh, I haven't done this thing, I haven't used AI, how come it is coming, how come the result is against my writing, or how come it's showing like I have written using AI, stuff like that, right? So here we are forced to change our writing patterns.
So how do you do that? How do you tackle the AI?
So if you are trying to tackle the AI direction, you should do certain files or certain assignments. You have to do is that you have to find the right balance of right. I was talking about syntactical errors, right? Syntactical or grammatical errors are the main pointers which shows that you have used AI tools, right? So that is what we have to be careful about. We have to write the sentence in a manner, it's simple, yet it's not too simple, right? I know it's a hypothetical situation and it's very oxymoron to sound, right? So you can't write in a simple manner and then write it in a manner that is not too simple, right?
अगर हम करें तो करें क्या, बोले तो बोले क्या.
People would be getting in trouble for that. Maybe people would have trouble for that because they don't have the correct idea to write in a way that it would look like human written and not machine written, right? So the main thing you have to be careful about not writing small sentences, right? Or not writing sentences that are overly complicated as well, like using too many joining sentences, joining words like which, therefore, however.
So simpler language use करिए.
Simpler language, but not too simpler, not too flowery, and grammar सही रहना चाहिए, syntactic सही रहना चाहिए.
Use language that should be like human written rather than
Yeah.
what language is very simple. Using very simple adjacent sentences.
Yeah.
That are very simple in nature.
You can't use this sort of like sentences. It creates a sort of like a bot language vibe because the funny oxymoron thing is that despite of being a bot or AI tool, they try to mimic the human pattern, and by doing so, they follow this sort of like.
बोल उनके हैं.
वो उनके हैं, but लिखे हम लोगों ने. So
कौन बोल रहे हैं पर शब्द हमारे हैं.
जहाँ पर machine learning आएगा और जो AGI process आएगा, तो it could benefit to a certain degree.
I'll come back to the point that they being said this thing that AI is creating issues for small creators.
Yeah.
It's creating a lot of issues like unfairness is going on because small creators do not have the budget to like get the premium version of AI, and the big creators are having the budget and it's like I had the first mover advantage.
Yeah.
तो अब चलो AI भी खरीद लेते हैं, AI का टूल खरीद लेते हैं, इससे बना. But small creators are like भाई मेरे पास नहीं है इतना. Small creators subscribe.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
So what I'm trying to tell you is that this unfairness of AI, do you think it's going to like be there for a longer period of time in the future?
With the development of the technology.
But again, as I told you, it's not regulated. How do you think that the development of technology will not affect us?
It's not regulated at this point of time, but the way this is moving right now, there should be some regulations, right?
Absolutely.
Otherwise, it would be like going low. People would have unlimited power.
Some people have a lot of power, and the diversification of AI would not be better.
Yeah.
There won't be any equality where we.
And another thing is that cybercrime should be increasing. Like we have this issue of creating deepfakes, right? That is like people are stealing other people's identity. So that is like
Cerebral stories के viewers को आप बताएं कि कौन सा कैसे काम करते हैं.
So one such example can be like
I remember Rashmika Mandanna had this case.
That was a like huge issue. And even like
And Sachin Tendulkar was there.
Sachin Tendulkar was there. Scarlett Johansson also faced similar issue.
Yeah. So they are making ads in the name of them.
Yeah, they were making adult content using their faces. Not Sachin. Sachin's was something like Sachin's was something.
अरे बेड़िया बैट का ग्रिप निकाल के ना सीधा बैट तेरे
Not even like deepfake, but they were using AI generated voice over. Right?
Voiceovers and
They were mixing the like.
they are doing this thing as an ad that
Yeah.
Sachin Tendulkar pan bech raha hai like that.
Yeah, like that.
Without regulation, this cannot be stopped.
There won't be any.
एक दो तो सामने आ गया तो दिख गया ना.
Huh, and a lot of things are going actually. Even if you're like on the internet, on Twitter maybe, or even
Think about dark web. How
dark web.
dark web
Is already a dark area actually.
Yeah, and with the development of face mapping AIs and this sort of
This is sort of going to the negative area. Like adult content would be getting like a big boom here, which is bad actually, right?
Why it is bad?
Because see, if you're one fine day you see that you are the star of an adult film, then you'll be shocked, like, yeah, and you'll be like, okay, so how this happened, right?
ये तो
And
है.
your friends and family would be like, okay, तो हम लोगों का मुंह काला करके आ ही गया finally, like, so this sort of things are quite complex, right? And there are certain things like OnlyFans में भी AI का ऐसा मतलब AI generated content बेच रहे हैं लोग $5 पे बेच रहे
भाई
हैं.
हमें दे दो $5 यार इसी चैनल.
So that's
गरीब लोग हैं हम लोग.
Yeah.
Small creators.
गरीब है वो तो गरीब है.
मैं गरीब हूँ.
मैं गरीब हूँ
Regulation should be there.
Regulation should be there. Just
But regulation in what terms? Like every government should make their own
every
regulation.
government should make their own regulations, and there should be like a proper follow-up from United Nations as well. Because
You
they-
mean that there should be a one
Yeah.
governing body?
governing body regarding AI and like any sort of, because already there are many regulatory frameworks for cyberbullying, cyber attacks, and cyber harassments, right? Or even anything that creates a threat for your cyber identity. Maybe whatever you're doing on the internet, it's your personal matter, right? You can do anything. But when someone is taking your data and using it in a malicious way, that sort of creates a lot of problems, right? You're not like, you haven't permitted them to take the data, but they have taken the data and they are using it to create profit, or maybe to create or to blackmail someone. Like जैसे ब्लू व्हेल वाला गेम में हो गया था, राइट? सो सिमिलर थिंग्स कैन कम फ्रॉम डार्क वेब, राइट? जैसे तुम बोल रहे थे पहले, तो डार्क वेब में ये सब चीज हो सकता है. दे कैन क्रिएट समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड इवन लाइक ब्लैकमेलिंग फॉर लॉट ऑफ मनी.
Coming back to the topic, there is this show called Black Mirror that one of the episodes of Black Mirror focuses on the same thing, which is the blackmailing part, and it is in there. And AI has the capability. Don't you think so that it has now developed? We have developed so much AI that I think in the end it has this capability.
That is,
Which you said that audio है ही हमारा कहीं ना कहीं से.
that is the scary. Yeah, the regulation part. So जैसे बोल रहा था, तो United Nations should like make proper regulatory body.
Governing body.
Yeah, governing body. जैसे around 2018 they had made like the data protection act, right? It was the updated version of the 2009 data protection act.
The UN made it.
Yeah, it was regulated by UN, and all the countries are following it. So, if you're using this thing, you're using a certain people's data as in someone's body you're using to superimpose your face, maybe. Like, for example, the GigaChat meme, right? The GigaChat meme was generated using Google softwares like Photoshop and stuff like that, right? So there was this actual bodybuilder who had certain level of those features, and they superimposed the thing and made it like that meme template. Yeah. So GigaChat, the guy never received any money for that. Even that old man with the like confused look, right? Even the boy, like, wait a minute, that boy, they don't.
Wait a minute.
Yeah,
Wait a minute.
they don't receive any money from the league, right? So there should be a regulation like that. If you're using my image or if you're using my identity as a form of entertainment, whatever it is, not going into
Give me
that.
some
Yeah,
royalty.
give them some royalty. That should be there. Or maybe at least
Give
ask
them
me.
one time money.
Yeah, at least ask me if you're like.
Take my consent.
Yeah, consent is
Take consent as a royalty.
Yeah, royalty should be there because they have already made a lot of people laugh using those sort of.
That's the whole positive things.
Yeah.
We really believe this thing that AI is a positive notion towards the world, but we really believe that it should be regulated in certain degree, and it should be given the proper amendments that needs to be followed, right? That nobody can take it without any consent.
And with that, people should be educated properly.
People should be aware properly, and they should know what is right for the AI thing and what is wrong for the AI.
At the end of the day, that is the main thing because if they don't know, they are doing it in a wrong manner. They won't be thinking it that way. ऐसे कमाना है सोच के कर लेते हैं. That's the wrong thing.
Thank you so much for joining. I hope it was a pleasant conversation between us. This was first conversation that we had over the camera.
Yes.
So if you think that we are some sort of awkward or something like is going on in behind the camera, please forgive us. This is the first time. Comment something that you think that we missed out in the AI factors, and comment anything about anything that you think that was funny or not funny. You have all the right to do that. Please subscribe and do not cancel us. We really love you. We really love our viewers, whatever the viewers are. And to the notification bell icon thing which we are talking about, and like share as well. And follow us on Instagram. Our handle is Scribble Masters LLP. Follow us on our YouTube channel. And do visit our website scribblemastersllp.com for better services that you think that you can do, and order your services there, and we will surely help you. Write to us on our email, which we will be giving in our description link in the description thing, and you'll find that thing, and you can even write us there whatever the queries you want and whatever the future officer that you want to see with us. For the next episode, we'll be talking about innovation and technological advancements. So stick there for that. We'll be surely coming up in the next week for that with that episode. As of now, keep smiling, keep moving forward, stay positive, stay optimistic. Blessed up.
Yeah, sure.
Subscribe to Steve Bye bye.
Like it's